It's time for the pedigree starting lineup. First on the field is Fumble. Let's hope his name doesn't reflect his football skills. Oscar is a dachshund who doesn't take any guff. Next is Marbles. Don't let his baby blues fool you. Word is this pup comes to play. Coming down the chute now is Basket. He may not be the biggest, but he doesn't back down from anyone. And finally, here comes Prancer. This cuddly Shih Tzu isn't all fluff. She'll stand up to any of the big dogs.